This time we're up against Leroy's mate in his Evo 3 that he claims is 600 horsepower, so we'll see how this goes. We're roughly 400, so smoky old Subaru on the line, see what this cunt gets. Bit of a bender, this bloke. Right, let's see if he comes by us. Done him easy. Awesome stuff. Yeah, missed him. Nowhere to be seen.
Oh, I can smell clutch.